Hi, welcome to Concepts Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss computer knowledge related questions. So let us start. So in this video, what we'll do is from binary to decimal. We're going to convert from binary system to decimal system. So let us take example 1 0 1 0 1 1. So how to find out whether it is a binary or decimal or whether it is a octal or hexadecimal? You will see the base. Okay, if the base is 2, it is a binary. If the base is 10, it is a decimal. If the base is 8, it is a octal, and if the base is 16, it is a hexadecimal. So let us solve, or let us convert it into decimal. So what you need to do is write down the given, and below this you write down the 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5. So let down 2 to the power of 0 is 1, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 2 to the power of 4 is 16, and 2 to the power of 5 is 32, 2 to the power of 6 is 64. So keep on going. So what we'll do is 2 to the power of 0 is 1, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 2 to the power of 4 is 16, and 2 to the power of 5 is 32. 32. What we need to do is we need to multiply with this respective numbers. So 1 into 32 plus 0 into 16 plus 1 into 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. So 1 into 32 will get 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. So 32 plus 8, it is 40, 40 plus 2, 42, 43. So the decimal form of 1 0 1 0 1 1 is 40, 43 base 10. Clear? Yeah, we'll solve more examples to understand it. 1 1 0 1 0 1. Again, it is a binary. You can see the base. What we'll do, we'll write down, start from right to left. What we'll do, to the power 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5. If more digits are there, what we'll do, we'll keep on writing to the power 6, 7. Okay, now this is 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 2 to the power of 5 is 32. What I said, will multiply with the respective numbers. 1 into 32 plus 1 into 16 plus 0 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. So 32 plus 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. So 16 plus 4, that is 20. 20 plus 32, 52. 52 plus 1, 53. So the decimal form of 110101 is 53. What would be the base? Base is 10. Yeah. Next problem. 1101.11. Okay, from binary to decimal we are going to 1101.11. So to the power of 0. Yeah, after decimal, okay, to the left side, what we'll do? We'll start with 2 power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. Here we are going to write positive powers, but when we write to the right of this, to the power of -1, to the power of -2, and so on, to the power of -3, -4. Okay, so 2 to the power of -1 is nothing but 1 by 2. This is also nothing but 0.5. 2 to the power of -2 is nothing but 2 to the power of 4, which is nothing but 2 to the power of 2.5. So what will get here? 2 to the power of 1, 2, 4, 8. So we'll multiply 1 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Decimal here. 1 into 2 to the power of -1 is nothing but what? 0.5 plus 1 into 2 to the power of -2 is how much? 2 to the power 0.25. So 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 point 0.5 plus 0.25. So 8 plus 4, it is 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Point 0.5 plus 0.25, that is 0.5 plus 0.25. So what do you get here? 0.75 get. So 0.75. If you add this, what do you get here? 13.75. 13.75. 13.75. Okay, and the base would be 10 because we are converting from binary to decimal. One more problem from binary to decimal, and then we'll shift to binary to octal or binary to hexadecimal. So 111.10. So what I'll do, we'll write down. So 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. From here, 2 to the power -1, 2 to the power -2. So 1, this is 2, 4, this is 8. So what I'll do, we'll multiply with the respective numbers. 1 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1 into 0.5 plus 0 into 0.25. So what do you get here? 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, 0.5 you get here. So 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 15 plus, what will you do? 0.5. So what do you get here? 15.5 you get here. So the answer is 15. Okay. So 15.5 base 10. Clear? Yeah. We'll move to, now we have solved enough number of problems. Now we'll move to binary to octal. Binary to octal. Let us take example. So 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 2. So when you are changing from binary to octal, what you need to do is you need to separate it in a group of 3 or bit of 3 from right to left. So 0 0 1, this is bit of 3. 0 1 1, this is also 3. 0 1 1. So if you are left with 1 or 2, then what you'll do is to the left you will add zeros. Okay. Now same thing what we'll do, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. Here also 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. So what will you get here? We'll get here 4. What will you get here? It is 4 plus 2. We'll get here 6. 4 plus 1 into 2, 6. So what the answer is? 664. Okay, and the base would be what? 8. When it is an octal, the base is 8. Next problem. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Nice. Again, we need to convert from binary to octal. So what you need to do? You need to separate in a bit of 3. This is and 1, 0, 0. This is also bit of 3. Here 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. So what do you get here? 4 plus 1. What do you get here? 1. Okay. So 1, this is 5. So it is 15. Okay. Base 8. Next. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So here also to the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2, to power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2, to power 0, to power 1, to power 2, to power 0, to power 1, to power 2. So what will you get here? 1. And here also it's 1. Here it is 2 and it is here 4. So what will you get here? 5 will, sorry, here it is 4 plus 2 will get 6, and here 1, okay, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So the octal form of 111 110 001 001 is 7611 base 8. Yeah, now we'll move to binary to hexadecimal. Binary to hexadecimal. So let us take example 1111 010 1111 011. Okay, again this is a binary. So in binary what we'll say is you will see 0 and 1 combination which has base 2. So now in when you are solving for hexadecimal, what you need to do is bits of 4. What will do? Bit of 4. This is 1 bit and this is 1 bit. This is 1 bit. Okay, you left with 2, right? So what you'll do is you'll add 2 zeros to the left of this. Okay, let us write. So 1 1 1. Okay, next 1 1 1 0. Next 1 0 1 1. So you got 1 1, right? So what we'll do, we will add 2 zeros to the left of this number now. Clear? So same thing, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So what do you get here? Here it is 8, 8 plus 2 plus 1. Here it is 1 plus 2 plus 4. Here it is 8 plus 4 plus 1. Here it is 2 plus 1. So this is 3. This is 13. 4 plus 2 6 7 and 10 11. So in hexadecimal, whenever you see number greater than 9, in that case what you need to do is, if it is 10, So you need to assign A. If it is 11, you need to assign B. 12, C. 13, D. 14, E. 15, F. So here 13, what would be the D? And 11, what would be 11B? So the hexadecimal for the given value is 3D7B, and the base would be 16. 3D7B. Yeah, we'll solve one more problem to understand it. 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 to the base 2. Again, what I said, will separate it in a bit of 4 when you're solving for hexa. If it is a octa, 3. So 1 1 0 0. Okay, here we are having bit of 4, so no need to add any extra zeros. So 2 0 1 2 to the power 3, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So what I'll get here? You get here 4 plus 1 into 1. What will get here? 2 plus 1. And here what will get here? 8 plus 2 plus 1. Is it? So it would be 5, and this is 3, and this is 8 plus 2, 10, 11. Just now I said what? If it is more than 9, 10, 11, okay, A it is 10, B it is 11. So for 11 it is what? B. So what will write? B 3 5 to the base 16. Last, okay, conversion from binary to hexadecimal. So 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 to the base 2. So 0 0 1 1 and 1 1 1 0. So 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So what I'll get here? Here it is 2 and here it is 1. So 2 plus 1. Here it is 8 plus 4 plus 2. So what will get here? 12, 14 will get. Here it is 14 and here it is 3. Okay, 14. What would be the if A 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, F 15. So 14. So this is E. So the answer would be E3 base 16. Okay, I hope you understood. If you still didn't understand, okay, write it in the comment section so that I'll explain it in the next video. If you like our videos, please subscribe to Concepts Hub. Thank you.